People, here we have this. We have this Kenmore 400. So what went ahead and happened was, as you can see right here, this the heater element right here went ahead and broke. Went ahead and purchased a new one. Pretty similar to the Whirlpool series. So we got this piece that connects right here. This piece that connects up here. And this piece that connects right here. So if you ever feel that your dryer is not drying, but it's also not giving off no heat, it's because this right here has broken ground already. Thanks for watching.